What if I told you the smartphone market, after years of predicting its demise, just pulled off a stunning comeback? And a familiar challenger, once seemingly unshakable, just lost its top spot. We've spent so much time discussing the mature, saturated smartphone market, expecting it to flatline, maybe even shrink. But here's the surprise. 2025 marks the second consecutive year of growth for global smartphone shipments. Experts point to a few key drivers pushing this impressive rebound: sharp marketing strategies, a growing preference for those sleek, premium devices we all crave, and the unstoppable spread of 5G technology, especially in thriving emerging markets. Now, let's talk about the big news. For the first time, Apple now reigns supreme, leading the global smartphone market with a commanding 20% share in 2025. They didn't just grow, they sprinted, boosting their shipments by a remarkable 10% year-over-year. That's the highest growth among the top 5 brands, a clear testament to their savvy product diversification and exploding demand across those crucial emerging territories. You see, their iPhone 17 series, for instance, immediately took off after launch, while the iPhone 16 continues to draw impressive crowds in places like Japan, India, and throughout Southeast Asia. Analyst Varun Mishra tells us Apple's 2025 surge comes from this very product strategy and the increasing appetite in new markets. But don't count out the long-standing rival just yet. Samsung holds strong in second place, capturing 19% of the market. They also saw healthy growth, a 5% increase from last year, primarily fueled by their ever-popular mid-range Galaxy A series. And yes, their premium offerings like the Galaxy's Fold 7 and the S25 series definitely turned heads, performing even better than their predecessors. It really shows you how critical it is to dominate both the mid-tier and the high-end. Beyond the top 2, Xiaomi claims the third spot with a respectable 13% market share. They have achieved stability by masterfully balancing their portfolio between attractive high-end devices and strong mid-range options. Coming in fourth, we have Vivo, holding 8% of the global mobile market. Their success story attributes to a clear premiumization strategy, a robust online sales presence, and a focused, streamlined product lineup. However, not everyone enjoyed the surge. Oppo, for example, saw a 4% decline. We can trace that to weakening demand and intense competition right in their home turf of China, as well as across the Asia-Pacific region. But wait, there are also some exciting contenders shaking things up outside the top 5. Both Nothing and Google delivered fantastic results. Nothing surged by 31% year-over-year, while Google wasn't far behind, growing by 25%. These newcomers prove that innovation and a clear vision can still carve out significant niches in a competitive landscape. Now, what about the road ahead? Our market analysts are already looking to 2026, and they predict a potential slowdown for the global smartphone market. Why? Think component shortages and the inevitable rising costs of production. Shilpa Jain, a senior analyst, notes the market continues shifting towards premium segments, with more users opting for higher-end devices, while 5% demand surges in developing nations. Why for 5G to shoot to you premium Antaran Pathak, a research director at Counterpoint Research, paints a slightly starker picture for 2026. He says smartphone prices have already begun their ascent, forcing us to adjust shipment forecasts downward by 3. Apple and Samsung, with their stronger supply chains and firm grip on the premium market, will likely weather this storm more effectively. Chinese manufacturers, heavily invested in the lower segments, faced significantly greater pressure. So, as we see this fascinating dance between innovation, market share, and economic headwinds, it's clear the smartphone world is far from predictable. We've witnessed a surprising comeback, a changing of the guard, and a glimpse into a potentially challenging future. It makes you wonder, doesn't it? Will the smaller players continue to disrupt, or will the giants consolidate their power even further? Tell us what you think. And remember to subscribe or follow for more deep dives into the tech world.